hemispheric fissure dividing the two lobes of the brain, and we'll start on this side. And the falx would be lying in the inner hemispheric fissure. Here is the central sulcus. So this would be the precentral gyrus or primary motor cortex. So if I label this, either one of those would be acceptable. Precentral gyrus or primary motor cortex. This would be the post-central gyrus or primary sensory cortex. So frontal lobe anterior to the central sulcus, parietal lobe posterior, all the way to the parieto-occipital sulcus. This is kind of hard to see, but this is going to be, and it's really easy to see on a lot of MRIs and specimens. So parieto-occipital sulcus dividing the parietal lobe from the occipital lobe. This will be the Sylvian fissure, and temporal lobe is going to be below that. So motor association cortex, sensory association cortex, prefrontal cortex. Okay. Try to get this separated without it flying everywhere. All right, so now we're looking at the inside. The easiest way to get oriented is to find that corpus callosum. That's the easiest thing to spot. So this then would be the cingulate gyrus. This area right there is going to be one of the thalami. So the third ventricle would be lying right there, but you know, we don't have fluid in there, so if I label this, the correct answer would be thalamus. The hypothalamus is right here. Hypo means below the thalamus. This is the mammillary body, which is part of the hypothalamus. Then we have midbrain. Midbrain or mesencephalon is this area. Whenever we get start getting the thickening up there, that's the belly of the pons. So this is the pons. This is the